What is mental constipation? Have you ever felt like your brain is stuck in a loop where ideas won't flow and thinking clearly feels impossible? That's mental constipation. It's a state of mental blockage where your thoughts seem stuck, your creativity feels stifled, and problem-solving becomes an uphill battle. Unlike writer's block or a creative slump, which are often temporary and specific to certain tasks, mental constipation is a broader challenge. It affects your ability to think clearly, generate new ideas, and make decisions in almost any context. Think about it like physical constipation. Just as your digestive system can feel clogged and uncomfortable, your mind can feel similarly weighed down when ideas, thoughts, or solutions can't seem to flow freely. It's frustrating, and it happens to everyone at some point. The science behind mental constipation. So, what causes mental constipation? The answer lies in our brain's chemistry and functioning. Neurobiologically, mental constipation can result from reduced levels of dopamine and serotonin, two key neurotransmitters that regulate mood, motivation, and creativity. When these levels dip, it's like your brain's creative gears get stuck. Stress, anxiety, and fatigue play a major role too. High stress floods the brain with cortisol, which disrupts the flow of information between different regions of the brain. This is particularly true for the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, planning, and problem-solving. When overwhelmed, the prefrontal cortex struggles to perform efficiently, leading to mental blockages. In simpler terms, when your brain is tired or under pressure, it's harder for it to connect the dots and form fresh ideas. Overcoming mental constipation. The good news is, just like physical constipation, there are ways to get things moving. First, prioritize regular exercise. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that enhance cognitive function. Even a brisk walk can work wonders for your mental clarity. Second, incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing into your daily routine. These techniques reduce stress and calm the mind, creating the mental space needed for creativity to flourish. Third, tackle information overload. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are bombarded with content. Simplify your input. Take breaks from screens, set realistic goals, and declutter your thoughts by focusing on one task at a time. Finally, foster an environment that supports creativity. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and create a space, physical or mental, where you feel comfortable experimenting with ideas.
Unlocking your creative potential. To truly overcome mental constipation, it's crucial to shift your mindset. Start by embracing failure. Failure isn't the end. It's a stepping stone to success. Every misstep teaches you something valuable and often sparks innovation in unexpected ways. Next, seek out new experiences. Creativity thrives when we step out of our comfort zones. Challenge your perspective by trying new activities, exploring different environments, or learning something completely unrelated to your usual interests. Finally, practice self-compassion and perseverance. Mental constipation can feel frustrating, but it's a natural part of the creative process. Be kind to yourself, stay persistent, and trust that with the right habits and mindset, you'll overcome the blockage and unleash your full potential.
Remember, mental constipation is temporary. With the right tools and practices, you can free your mind, spark creativity, and achieve breakthroughs you never thought possible.